The SAMR model is a model developed by Dr. Ruben Puentedura, which explains 4 aspects of technology integration in the classroom. This model can help teachers effectively incorporate technology into their curriculum. SAMR is short for substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition. These 4 categories are broken into 2 groups. One being the enhancement group, which includes substitution and augmentation. The second being the transformation group, which includes modification and redefinition. As teachers, we want to reach the transformation group, if at all possible. Now, starting from the bottom in the enhancement group is substitution, which is using technology to do the exact same thing that was being done before without technology, such as having students type out a response to a piece of artwork in Microsoft Word, as opposed to writing it with pencil and paper. Next is augmentation. Augmentation is when technology acts just like the old tool, but with some improvement. An example of this in an art classroom might be that students would fill out their critiques for their peers' artwork in a Google form. The feedback would then be directly sent to the teacher and the student who produced the piece of artwork once the form was filled out. This would add efficiency to the classroom because the feedback would be instantaneous and they could have it in a document to refer back to. Now, moving up to the transformation group. In this group, we have modification. Modification is when the task can be redesigned significantly due to technology. An example of this would be each student having their own blog where they can post their artwork. This would get students into an art community. Instead of just sharing their artwork with their classmates, their art is open to the public. This would allow for comments and constructive criticism from both peers and people from around the world. Last but not least, we have redefinition. This is the highest form of technology integration. Redefinition is when teachers who use technology can create new content and tasks that were not previously possible without technology. This could be exemplified in an art classroom by having students create a video tutorial on how to make a certain piece of art. They would explain each step in detail and consider any problems the viewer might encounter and take those into consideration. They would later post those videos on the web to share with other artists. This would prove that they understand a topic and can think critically about how to work through problems. They may even be able to make a name for themselves on the internet. So, if you're a teacher looking to implement technology into your classroom, this is a great model to follow no matter what subject you're teaching.